Hi, this is Maria with Leapwing Audio. Today we're going to be using Center1. Center1 is a great plugin that has two different algorithms that allow you to play with center manipulation and LCR extraction. We're going to be looking at a mix that I did for artist Crucito. The song is called Insomnio. Okay, so I am almost done with this mix for Crucito, but I'm noticing that I have a buildup, a muddiness created around a certain tone of the instrumentation of the song. Let's take a look first, and then we'll figure out how I'm going to use Center1 to fix this issue. Definitely after hearing this, I can tell there is something that is mudding up the definition and the clarity of the vocals and the beat. I know that the tracks that are musical or melodic, like the bass, the synth, the keys, and all the different pads, were programmed to the tonality of the song, which is that constant do that you hear that is also messing up the definition of the beat because the kick has that shared tone as well, and the clarity of the vocal because the vocal line was created around that area. So with Center1, I have the possibility of dialing into the center image of what I consider my music bus, which is everything that is not beat, vocal, or effects, and selecting the range of the trebling frequency and moving it until I create more space and definition for the beat and the vocal. Let's take a look and play a little bit with the plugin. So I can immediately tell the difference of what I'm doing with Center1. By muting the left and right channels, I was able to isolate that center frequency and select the lower portion and the higher portion of the bandpass EQ, which works in tandem with the center fader. Once I brought it down, it was almost like all that muddiness was pushed towards the side, and the definition of the vocal and the beat came forward at the center, and that was exactly what I was looking for. I greatly recommend that you guys check out leapwingaudio.com and download the trial version for Center1. Thank you very much for watching.